Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup editing profiles and preferences in Adobe apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your editing profiles and preferences in Adobe apps, start by closing all Adobe applications. Open the Adobe application for which you want to backup settings. Navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Select the Preferences option from the drop-down list. Look for the option that allows you to view or save your user settings. In Adobe Premiere Pro, for instance, you might find the preferences under the Edit menu instead. Once you access the preferences, look for options to export or save settings. Choose the appropriate option to export your settings to a designated folder. Give the backup file a descriptive name for easy identification. Ensure you save the file in a secure location, such as an external drive or cloud storage. Next, repeat this process for any other Adobe applications where you've customized settings. If you wish to backup workspace layouts, be sure to include those in your export. For After Effects users, check the same Preferences section for saving editing profiles. Once done, verify that all files have been successfully saved and are accessible. To restore your preferences later, open the preferred Adobe application. Navigate back to the Preferences menu, similar to the backup process. Look for the option to import settings or profiles. Select the backup file you previously created. Confirm the import action and allow the application to integrate your settings. After importing, you may need to restart the app for changes to take effect. Regularly backing up your settings ensures minimal disruption in your workflow. This simple process saves you time and helps maintain consistency in your editing projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.